The unspoken hair loss issue is how it affects women. Fortunately, Advanced Hair Studio can provide a range of solutions depending on the cause of female hair loss.
I'm pianist and I'm performing in VIP high-class places, and it's very important for me to look glamorous, perfect, and I trust Advanced Hair Studio.
Being in the industry that I have been in with all the photo shoots that I have done, your hair takes a lot of serious damage, and thanks to Advanced Hair Studios.
Hi, I'm Anara and I love my flashpoints from Advanced Hair Studio. It gives me a thicker and fuller look, and for the industry I'm in, it's perfect. The overall experience was brilliant and the AHS team is amazing. I'm truly happy with my results.
Once I did the treatment, the change was just like so visible. I'm so much more happy, and when I look in the mirror, I just see what I want to see. I can really feel the difference, and even my friends can see the difference. People that didn't even know that I was doing the treatment came and asked me, what is going on with your hair? And that gave me really satisfaction, because somebody that doesn't know what you're doing and recognize the results, it's pretty amazing. So I just feel happy.
So if you want a great guaranteed result for your hair loss problem, contact Advanced Hair Studio.
Call now.